Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the David Archie men's boxer briefs, which are these boxer briefs right here. These are a set of boxer briefs that you can currently get on Amazon for $57 per pack of 7 boxer briefs. They're going to be 95% rayon made from bamboo, and they're going to be ultra soft and moisture wicking. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take these out of the packaging, show you the different color patterns, what they look like, as well as the overall design. Then I'm going to actually try these on and get a sense of what they feel like and provide feedback. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing these, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are going to be the David Archie men's boxer briefs. You can currently get these on Amazon for $57 for a pack of 7 boxer briefs. There's going to be several different color patterns. We'll show you up close, but there's going to be a pink, a dark blue, orange, like a light green, yellow, light blue, and then like a burgundy reddish color. They also have a separate pack that is going to be completely black with the trim being those colors, so a little bit of assortment as far as the difference there. These are going to be 6.5 inch inseam as far as the size. It's 95% rayon made. They say it's from bamboo, and then it's 5% spandex. Generally, the main features of this is that it's going to be ultra comfortable, provided ultra fit because it provides just a general conformity to your body and everything down there. And they're also going to be moisture wicking. So overall, they promote it as a product that's going to be just comfortable all around. So we'll have to test these out and see. But we'll get these out of the package, show you what they look like. I actually reached out to this company because the overall color pattern seemed like a good option. And they seem like a general good product for the price, as far as having the 7 different boxer briefs for only $57. So here are all 7 of them side by side. Hopefully you can see that well on camera and get a good sense of the colors, but a little bit different color than traditional colors. As far as the insert here, it's just a general insert for their company. They make underwear, undershirts, sleepwear, socks, robes, different items like that. So definitely check out their website on Amazon and their store there to check out the different options. But as far as their boxer briefs, this is what they actually look like. In general, it's a very, very soft material. It's super, super soft, a thinner material from that standpoint. So for those of you that need moisture wicking or something that's more quick drying, this is a really good material because it is very thin. So you don't have to worry about it having excess material or being too thick from that standpoint. On the top here, there is a spandex seam that is elastic here, so it does stretch. Says David Archie at the top in a matching color to the actual boxer brief there. And then on the front, they do have a pouch for kind of your genital stuff. And then there's seams across the inseam, and then let's see if there's a seam on the side. Doesn't look like it. So there's no seams on the side or anything. It's all seams along the bottom and around the crotch area there. So that's what the like darker-ish blue look, or actually this is the lighter blue. We'll take a look at another one as well. How about this one? This is the orange. And so virtually identical. So it's the identical product, just different color there. And that's it. We'll see at the labeling here. So this is a medium. I'm like a 33 waist. They actually have the sizes listed on their website, so you can check out the sizes, but I ended up going with the medium. As far as care here, it says that it's made from bamboo. It has elastic there, spandex, and then it's machine wash cold, I believe. Yeah, machine wash cold there. But it does say you can actually iron this if you need, and you can dry it. So that's it as far as the care, but generally a nice product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw these on, get a sense of what they feel like, and I'll give you feedback after that. Okay, so for professional reasons, I really can't sit in my underwear on YouTube videos, so I'm just going to give you feedback based on wearing them right now as we sit here. I'll say that generally they're very, very comfortable as far as the softness of the material, the thin aspect of it. It makes it really nice because it is kind of like a soft material against your skin. For me personally, I find that the size, the seam sits around mid-thigh length, which is nice. It's not too high where it rides up, and it's not too low where it's kind of like sliding down your leg and back up, or potentially would be exposed with shorts. So that's nice there. And then as far as the crotch area, I'll say that it's very, if for those of you that know about the Saxx underwear, it's very similar there, where there's a lot of excess material here where it kind of provides support in the crotch area, which makes it pretty comfortable there. That's a different experience compared to other boxer briefs that are on the market that are more like compact or compressive there, but it does provide a lot of space, which makes it more comfortable if you're inclined to have boxer briefs like that. But it is important to emphasize that for this product. And then the elasticity at the top is pretty nice there. It actually it stretches and conforms right against your body pretty easily as well. So overall, I'll say that feedback based on the David Archie, as far as the look, feel, everything like that, I'll say that this is a really good product that as far as comfort and moisture wicking from the thin aspect of it, the softness of it, the smoothness of the material is really nice. The fact that it is mid-thigh is really nice as well. And then the different solid color patterns are different than traditional ones. A lot of the boxer briefs on the market are really just like kind of bland light gray or brown or navy and stuff like that. So this does offer you a wide variety of color options in one single package. And then if you want something more conservative or traditional, you can get the black one as well, where you get all black ones with just subtle varieties in the colors at the top. But at $57 for a pack of 7, this is really affordable. I'd highly recommend it. Try it out, see if it works. What I'll do is I'll start wearing these, get a sense of how they perform over time with the thinness of the material, as well as the elasticity and whether kind of you run into issues with wear or durability. But this is the David Archie assorted pack of boxer briefs. Definitely check it out on Amazon. If you have questions, comments, post below. But hopefully this video was helpful for those of you that are watching online.